Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Kajabi affiliate program status and payout setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your Kajabi affiliate program status, first, log in to your Kajabi account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the Marketing tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on Affiliates from the drop-down options. Here, you will find an overview of your affiliate program. To check your own affiliate status, look for your name or email in the list of affiliates. If your name appears, you are successfully registered in the affiliate program. Next, to set up or verify your payout settings, click on Payouts within the Affiliates section. You will see options for payment methods available to you. Choose your preferred payment method from options like PayPal or direct bank transfer. If you are selecting PayPal, ensure the email you provide is linked to your PayPal account. For bank transfers, fill out the necessary banking details carefully. After entering your payment information, make sure to save your changes. Review any payout thresholds and terms set by Kajabi to avoid issues in receiving payments. Next, check the payout frequency details to know when you will receive your earnings. If needed, you can access support articles on Kajabi's website for additional guidance. Once you're confident that your information is correct and up to date, you can move forward as an affiliate. Regularly monitor your affiliate dashboard for updates and new opportunities within the program. This ensures you are fully engaged in maximizing your potential earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.